The Crayola experience was very interesting and exciting, even for adults. There are numerous activities that you can choose to engage with that blossoms with creativity. This place was amazing. There was so much to do for kids of all ages and really got them to be creative. Even adults could get involved and enjoy the things they had there. We spent 3 or 4 hours there. Only con was that 2 of the 4 skee ball machines worked and the bin for the higher ticket count was empty. Very nice for young ones to explore and have fun. Great for family outing with kids. Very clean and plenty of activities to indulge in. Plan to spend at least 3 hours or more at Crayola Experience. There's activities for children and teens and kids love it. My 4-year-old loved it. He says it was one his favorite things we did in Orlando. He keeps asking to go back. Lots of different activities. Had to wait a short time to do some of the activities like melting a crayon to make a shape. But loads to do. There was 2 play area. One for small kids 0 to 4 and a bigger kid one, my guess would be 7 or 8 maximum. The quick serve cafe bit was nice. My boy still talks about the corn dog he had there. I got an Uber there from my drive. It was around $15. Went on a very rainy Monday. It was a bit busy but not crowded. Brought tickets online the day before and it was cheaper than buying on the day. Really lots of fun. My special needs adult daughter had so much fun. She is in wheelchair and it was so comfortable for her. So much to do and see. Highly recommend pre-purchasing tickets and popcorn, drink and token package. It was so much fun. It's not really a place to go solo as an adult, but if you have children or grandchildren it's really fun. There are some spots that are more geared toward littler kids but there is definitely fun for everyone. We went during Halloween so there are definitely different activities depending on what time of the year you go. Lots of noise. Lots of fun things to do. Take your time. We were there about 3 hours. Expensive so plan ahead. Fun great for all ages. We were there about 2 hours did most everything. Great experience. We did wait in line too long. My teen even enjoyed it.